はい、どうも、こんにちは。重沢です。How are you? This is 2012 Hyundai Accent 1.6 four cylinder. Today I'm going to show you how to check the misfire. This is random misfire. It is P0301, 302, 303, 304, and random number P0300, 300. So start engine. We're gonna show you the misfire. This one, when you move it, you can see side leaking from side. That's no good. Leaking from side. This is the issue of this car. Misfire, leaking. Okay, once again. Okay, this is a good one. No leaking from side. You cannot hear, but sometimes. Okay. Leaking. That's how you see. No good. Side. Okay. And good one. This is good one. No leaking. No leaking from side. No leak, right? So this is good one. No good. Side leaking. So like this. Start from the side. So this is all for the problem issue. Okay. This is also no good. Leaking from the side. You can hear the hard sound. Misfire. Okay. Leaking from side. That's the sound. Okay. Okay. So have to replace. Okay, so I put the new ignition coil for normal misfire. Okay, all for change this time. Random misfire, almost everything misfire. Okay, so that's all for. Okay. Okay, remove the top side cover. And next one. Remove this hose, blow by hose, and next this remove sensor, fuel pressure sensor, and next one put this clip up and press this, press this, press this, press clip up and press this. Okay, out. Install all four. Okay. Okay. This 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 2, 3, 4. So one is fire. Okay, but still recheck. Okay. clipping on, clip in, on, clip. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, make sure tight. Okay, okay. And okay, make sure this. Okay, over one. New ignition coil. Looks like very quiet. Looks like very stable. No vibration. And let's see. Up. Oh, no misfire. Okay, no leakage. You don't see it. Okay. This one also. No leakage. No side fire leakage. No leak. This one. Okay. No leak. Okay, make sure everything okay. 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 I'll install new ignition coil. Yeah. And the screw. 10mm screw.よし。これはもう欠陥ですよね。これはね、7万マイルでイグニッションコイルがこれですからね。This is issue. It's just 70,000 miles and happened misfire. Manufacture ignition coil Hyundai's quality is no good. So change the different brand, install it. Better brand. Don't use same brand. Kia or Hyundai one. Don't use it. Better use different quality ignition coil. No more misfire. Okay. そしてクリップね。And next one, this blow by. そしてクリップ。クリップね。そして、これスクリューがないぞ。なんかやったな。K スクリューね。I don't know missing screw, so I'm gonna install this. Okay. Okay, so ready. Okay. Okay, now start engine. Very quiet. Looks like it's so quiet. It's like smooth. Throttle body is okay. Good. Good. Smooth looks like. Okay. And okay, Hyundai accent. And no more check engine zone. No more P0 300, 301, 302, 303, 304. That's no more. Okay. Okay. Okay, check. And read the code. Enter. And everything, make sure. Store code. Pending code. Enter. Used to be this one. We just pending. So this was 300, 305, 303, 302, everything, London, Inspire was ignition coil. Okay. So like this. Okay. Read the code, enter, pending code, no pending code, store mode. Okay, no more. Okay. Okay.